This is our 6-inch by 12-inch Mitsui ball roller hand feed surface grinder. It's a model 200 MH, serial number 84085306. Machine is made in Japan, all cast iron, very high quality machine. I'm going to show you a few things. Energizing chuck. Cross feed, very little backlash. The machine's sitting on a skid. You can move it around a little easier so it's rocking. Ball roller, moving smoothly. Down feed, which is 1/10 vernier scale on here. Going to bring the machine on. Spindle's very quiet. No vibration. This is our 612 Mitsui hand feed ball roller grinder. Thank you for watching our video.